4 Study Visa Process Steps. The Tier 4 visa is a student visa that allows individuals from outside the European Economic Area (EEA) and Switzerland to study in the UK. The visa process can be broken down into several steps, beginning with obtaining a confirmation of acceptance for studies (CAS) letter from a UK educational institution. Once you have received your CAS letter, you can begin the Tier 4 visa application process. Here are the steps you will typically need to follow. 1. Gather your documents. You will need to provide several documents as part of your Tier 4 visa application. These may include your passport, your CAS letter, financial documents to show that you can support yourself during your studies, and evidence of your qualifications. 2. Complete the online application form. The Tier 4 visa application form is available online. You will need to create an account and provide information about yourself and your studies. 3. Pay the application fee. The fee for a Tier 4 visa application can vary depending on where you are applying from and how long you plan to stay in the UK. 4. Register your biometric information. Once you have completed your application form and paid the fee, you will need to register your biometric information, fingerprints, and a photograph at a visa application center. 5. Attend an interview. Depending on your circumstances, you may be required to attend an interview as part of your application process. This is typically done at the Visa Application Center. 6. Wait for a decision. After you have submitted your application and provided all of the necessary documents, you will need to wait for a decision to be made. The processing time can vary depending on where you are applying from. 7. Collect your visa. If your application is approved, you will be issued a visa vignette in your passport. You will need to collect your visa within 30 days of your intended travel date. 8. Arrive in the UK. Once you have collected your visa, you can travel to the UK and begin your studies. It is important to note that the Tier 4 visa application process can be complex and time-consuming. It is recommended that you begin the process as early as possible and seek advice from an immigration lawyer or visa specialist if you have any questions or concerns.